In the landscape of criminal justice reform, the Fines and Fees Justice Center, FFJC, has emerged as a critical advocate for ending the controversial practice of policing for profit in the United States. With a focus on addressing the disproportionate impact of fines and fees on marginalized communities, the FFJC's efforts extend to challenging the revenue-driven aspects of law enforcement. This video explores the FFJC's initiatives to end policing for profit and its commitment to promoting fairness, equity, and justice within the criminal justice system. Mission and core objectives. The Fines and Fees Justice Center was founded with a mission to eliminate the harmful and inequitable practices surrounding fines and fees within the criminal justice system. Recognizing that these practices often lead to financial burdens on individuals and communities, the FFJC has expanded its advocacy to address the broader issue of policing for profit. Challenging civil asset forfeiture. Central to the FFJC's efforts is the challenge against civil asset forfeiture, a practice allowing law enforcement to seize assets suspected of being involved in criminal activity, often without requiring a criminal conviction. The FFJC argues that civil asset forfeiture disproportionately affects low-income individuals and communities, leading to financial hardships and perpetuating cycles of inequality. By actively challenging the constitutionality of such practices, the FFJC seeks to curtail the overreach of law enforcement for financial gain. Policy advocacy and legislative reforms. The FFJC engages in policy advocacy at both the state and national levels to push for legislative reforms that address the systemic issues associated with policing for profit. By collaborating with lawmakers, the organization contributes to the development of legislation that enhances transparency, imposes restrictions on civil asset forfeiture, and ensures that seized funds are directed toward legitimate law enforcement purposes. Through its policy advocacy, the FFJC seeks to reshape legal frameworks and eliminate financial incentives driving policing for profit. Community engagement and empowerment. Understanding the importance of community engagement, the FFJC works to empower individuals with knowledge about their rights and the consequences of policing for profit. Through outreach programs, educational campaigns, and partnerships with community organizations, the FFJC aims to build awareness and mobilize communities to actively participate in the fight against unjust law enforcement practices. Litigation support and legal challenges. In addition to policy advocacy, the FFJC provides support for legal challenges against policing for profit. By offering resources and expertise to attorneys handling cases related to civil asset forfeiture, the organization contributes to legal efforts aimed at establishing precedents that protect individual rights and curb abuses within the system. The Fines and Fees Justice Center's dedicated efforts to end policing for profit reflect its broader commitment to promoting fairness, equity, and justice within the criminal justice system. Through policy advocacy, legal challenges, community engagement, and educational initiatives, the FFJC plays a vital role in challenging the revenue-driven aspects of law enforcement. As the organization continues to push for systemic reforms, it contributes significantly to the ongoing movement for criminal justice reform and the realization of a more just, transparent, and equitable legal system for all. Learn about more organizations like the FFJC at @consciousconservative www.conservativeconscious.blogspot.com.